going? Part 2 of the GSX video, following up from the one I made tearing the donor engine out of that whatever cradle frame. This is what I'm putting it in. It's a bike I made about 12-15 years ago. It's been laid up. I've worked out the other night about 8 years, 7 or 8 years. Parked it up because it basically wore out the engine. Needed a bunch of other work. Just pulled it out of storage now, and I've since found all the bits I've stole off it. I've just realised I left the slave cylinder and sprocket cover. I left that in Thailand about 5 years ago, so I'll have to get another one of them from somewhere. It's generally looking a bit rough. There's some on the road wiring repairs which I've just remembered doing a long time ago, but yeah, we'll throw a few quid at it and we'll try and make it a bit better. And you come over here a bit closer and just look at the 7 years of dust and crap that's built up on it. It's definitely seen better days, and it's definitely time it had a birthday. You can see the exhaust's pretty much turned into a tea bag, so we'll be making a stainless one. I can see there it needs a brake disc. Man, the more I look at it, the more things I'm going to find. But I think the first plan is get it back, clean it all up, see what I've actually got to work with, and clean up that other engine, make sure that's okay, get that fitted, and then start making an exhaust. So I'll make a whole series of videos on this, so it'll all form one playlist that you can watch in one go. Now, who knows, if we've got the money we might even treat it for a paint job. Yeah, that's where we're up to for now. So we're just going to throw it on the back of the little car and get it on, and we'll start with giving it a wash, and then I'll come back with another video in a day or so, pulling the motors out and seeing what other disasters we find, because there's going to be loads. Cheers, see you in a bit.